Hawaii, a tropical rainforest biome. There is much more to Hawaii than just its famous beaches and volcanoes, including the island's diverse landscape, vegetation, and wildlife. These biomes are also found in South America, Africa, and Asia, and they can be distinguished by high levels of rainfall, receiving a minimum of 80 inches per year, and they have stable annual temperatures. Hawaii reached a maximum rainfall of about 400 inches per year, sometimes even receiving the most rainfall in the world. Hawaii, as a part of the United States of America, is a series of islands in the Pacific Ocean. The islands were created by volcanic activity. They faced isolation for a majority of years until the Polynesians arrived 1,500 years ago and claimed the land. With 132 islands, only 7 of those inhabited, Hawaii has 20 named volcanoes. Although not all are currently active, those that are allow Hawaii to continuously grow. One of these volcanoes, Kilauea, has been erupting since 1988, contributing roughly 40 acres a year in new land to Hawaii's Big Island. As for Hawaii's beaches, they are known famously for their surfing in vibrant colors. The sand, though commonly white, can also be found in green, red, pink, and black. The volcanoes of Hawaii are not just cool natural wonders, but they also allow for scientists to practice for space travel. The dry lava from Mauna Loa, one of the volcanoes, was used in the past by astronauts to practice walking on the moon. Currently, similar landscapes in Hawaii are being used to prepare for the colonization of Mars. Because Hawaii has been isolated in the Pacific Ocean since its existence, many vegetation and wildlife have evolved that are only found in the Hawaiian Islands. Along with this, as colonization occurred throughout the state, various other plants and animals were introduced. With a variety of native and non-native species, Hawaii has some distinct wildlife. Found only in Hawaii, the larval state of 6 Eupathecia species, a common moth, are the only caterpillars in the world that consume meat. They do so by waiting inconspicuously among trees until insects accidentally brush them. When this happens, the caterpillar strikes, seizing the insect and consuming them, giving them the nickname of grappling inchworm. Besides the caterpillars, Hawaii also has non-native Asian mongoose, cattle, pigs, mosquitoes, goats, cats, and other insects, as well as native bats, whales, seals, dolphins, chameleons, sharks, and dozens of bird species, among many other species. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss and biological pollution, many of the native species, including half of native bird species and about 366 plant species, are on the decline and classified as endangered and critically endangered, besides those that have already gone extinct. 2 of the endangered plant species are found only in one area of Hawaii, the Hakalau Forest National Refuge, where there are less than 5 known plants. Besides the endangered plants, due to its tropical rainforest biome, Hawaii has over 1,400 variety of taxa. In fact, over 90% of these plants are found only in the state of Hawaii. Because of this, Hawaii's plants comprise 44% of the United States at-risk plant species. Whether you look at Hawaii's famous landscape, one-of-a-kind wildlife, or diverse vegetation, this tropical forest biome is a beautiful example of what makes the Earth so amazing.